Wow, you've seen it yourself, guys.
Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So glad to see you here, that you're here today with me. And it's a weekday, it's Sunday, and it means that only over-the-counter currency pairs are available today, and today we'll be trading on over-the-counter currency pairs. For those who do not know, over-the-counter currency pairs are the charts that broker itself provides us with. So over-the-counter quotations are being formed by buying and selling by players who take the stock market as a facilitator. So they know for sure that the price is being formed and the quotations, but I think a disadvantage of over-the-counter currency pairs is that you cannot check them, but I want to tell you that trading on them is possible and even required sometimes. On over-the-counter currency pairs, trading sometimes is much more calm than on average ones because there are no news on them. And no news means no strong fluctuations that unsettles us from the market and makes us get a loss. So today I'll show you one very simple strategy for OTC pairs trading. It's also good for average currency pairs, so be sure to watch this video till the end, guys, so you can try the knowledge you've got in practice. So we're trading in Pocket Option platform today. The link to Pocket is in the description below. By the way, if you follow the link, you can get a bonus plus 100% if your deposit is more than 100%. I think it's a good opportunity to start, and let's move to the chart. We'll be using a classic strategy today, analyzing support and resistance lines, the trend lines, and channels. Let's imagine some currency pairs, choose the most suitable for trading, and I'll be explaining my each deal which I open in this video. So enjoy! So guys, a series of deals comes to an end, and let's analyze the case. To start with, we've lined the chart. I drew two lines. First one is a resistance line and second one is a support line. We drew it through several touches, and we see that the chart was reversed from here, and we see a reaction from this level, including somewhere here, if we draw it like that. So this line really works, in other words, and other traders see it and use it as well. It's seen in the chart. So the second line is a resistance line. It's also clearly seen. We draw it through two peaks. These ones in past there were peaks as well, and accordingly I was waiting that the next time the chart reaches this line, we roll back as well and go down. So the deal was opened with lower. But as you see, we broke through this line, and when we broke through this line, through any line, support or resistance one, doesn't matter, we start to move to the direction we reached out of this line. So right now the growth is proceeding. We pass this line on one candle, and I had two deals opened with higher and why? Why two? Because I had both earn and cover the loss from the previous deal. So two deals were closed in a profit at the end, one at a loss. I hope it's all clear for you. It's pretty simple, so we switch to the other currency pairs. So guys, the fourth deal is gonna be closed, and yep, it's closed in a profit. Here's a similar case. We have a chart. We drew two lines, and the first one is a resistance line because it's above our chart at the moment, and we draw it through some huge amount of touches here, through several touches here, and this line works. So the lower line, which is a support line, it was drawn right here through those few touches, and we also see a reaction next to it, and right here reaction, so this level works. Here we've lowered till the lower line for another time, rolled back, and I had no opportunity to open a deal at the very bottom. Opened it after this green candle. The deal was higher and it's closed in a profit. So right now we're observing a reaction that our chart got from the resistance line. This line was drawn for a reason, and it was done through several points of touch, and we see at first one reversive point. See that earlier this line was a support line because you can see in this place, in this one, in these places the chart's been breaking into it and always rolling back. So it's an essential zone level which we use now as a resistance level. Just have a look how clearly the chart reached this resistance zone and started to go on a correction down. Whether it's gonna be a long or short, it doesn't matter because we worked this case out. Guys, another deal is closed, and look at this case. Here are also support and resistance lines, and in this case both lines are resistance because the chart broke through the lower line on this big red candle. We're trading below the line, so we'll be rolling back down from it. So the first deal on this chart was opened with lower. I'm expecting a further decrease from resistance level. Okay. If we get into this channel for another time, so the candle is fully closed within this range from upper line to lower line, then we'll be trading with higher. So the final deal is closed in a profit too. Look, here we draw a resistance line earlier, which was a resistance until the chart was somewhere here, and now we've passed this line. We're above this line and it's a support now. Here we rolled back from the very peak, drew the third horizontal line. Today we're trading just on horizontal lines, by the way. This is how it turned out. And after updating the local peak, we went on a correction again. So we've lowered till this zone, and from this zone we're rolling back now. So as soon as we've tested the lower border, I had a deal with higher opened, which was closed in a profit right now in front of your eyes. So my dear friends, we managed to make deposit almost 2 times bigger during trading. During I was recording this video, I wasn't taking a lot of risk. I had 50-20% of deposit as a bet amount, so there were a lot of representative deals, and I hope you watch this video till the end. If you've done that, you're such a fun fellow. I want to tell you secretly that you have an opportunity to trade on my personal trading financial recommendations. To get my free signals, you just need to go to my Telegram channel. The link is below in the description, and you meet some simple conditions, and I'll just add you to the VIP chat where we trade with all of the members from Monday to Friday. So I hope this video was both interesting and useful for you, and I sincerely hope that each of you want to try the strategy on your platform. So go there, sign up and practice. Only this way you'll be able to start your weight trading, to start making money, because if you just watch the videos and do nothing, then unfortunately money did not appear from nowhere. So I don't say goodbye for long, because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before I go, a quick reminder for you. So if you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading on binary options, I recommend you to watch this video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch this video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. And now that's it. Bye!